Okay, this is using a leaf blower in your dryer to clear out the vent. And there you can see I've got it set up, and I put towels around it to help the air to not escape. And then we're going to turn it on and look and see what it looks like outside. Okay, so you're looking out here at the vent on the outside, and as you can see, we're getting air, but it's not as powerful as it normally is after you clean it. So what I'm thinking is that we're going to have to use brushes on the inside. So let me get that set up. Okay, so what we're talking about here is these cleaning vents brushes, and as you see, this is the part that goes into the cleaning brush, the thing. Anyway, see like this. I'm trying to do the front camera, so it's kind of hard for me to see what's going on here. But on the end of them, there's an opening there, and then on the end of the other one, where you would attach other things, is a threaded thing. So what you do is you can't put them all together at the same time. You've got to start this one, stick it in the dryer as far as you can with your drill, and then you attach this here like that, and then you go a little farther. These are all the attachments, so there'll be about 4 of them, and that each one of them is 2, so we got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16 feet of dryer vent that we can clean and pull out some lint. I recommend you do this at least once a year. This is our once a year, but you probably can do it 2 times a year if you have a bigger family. So I've turned back on the leaf blower on the inside where it's still blowing and everything, and I'm going to be taking that hood off, and I've got my stuff set up to put on my drill. And I want to tell you, I use a cordless drill. Let me get a picture of it here, and it does a great job. And I think everybody's got cordless drills nowadays, but if you don't have one, you can always use the electric drill you plug in. I hate doing this part out here because you have to take that out, and on the inside the sleeve always wants to fall off, but that's for another day. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, and I'll show you what comes out the first time. Well, believe it or not, before I got this off and I was just sitting down here, a big chunk of lint came out and blew all over me. So we're still going to clean it this way, but some of it's out just with the leaf blower. Well, anyway, my trusty videographer has called in sick this morning, so we had to do this ourselves. But here, I see we already started, and I'm going to start turn the drill on. The drill on. See, I'm starting to pull some stuff out of there. Blowing a lot better now. I've pulled everything out. Of course, I look like I've been through hell. Look at all that extra lint that came out of there. And this towel, if you're wondering, that's so I don't hurt my knees so as much. I have bad knees. Anyway, look at how long that thing is now. See, I'm going to put it all in there. I'm going to take it apart, and I think that's going to be it. But you need to do this about once every 2 years, or I'm sorry, once a year or twice a year. And it'll also prevent house fires and dryer fires. All right, y'all take care now. One last note is if y'all are within this tri-state area, Georgia, North Carolina, and South Carolina up here, and if you want to do this or have somebody come do it, I'll come do it for you for a small fee. Just all you gotta do is send me an email at howtopromotions.com.